Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks and another video. So the other day I was on eBay and I was kind of shopping around for some stuff for my enhanced survival kit that I'm putting together, right? That's going to be further in the future because it's going to take a lot of stuff and a lot of money. But I was kind of looking for something I could use as a mess kit and a storage container and everything. And I started looking around. I really like the Dutch one, but I really like the British one as well. So I get around on eBay and I find this British mess kit. This is a British style mess kit, I should say. It's a reproduction made in Germany that I ordered from Lithuania. So boy, if this isn't about as international as it gets. So I got this whole thing shipped to the United States for $18.38. So what you get out of it is basically two cooking tins. You kind of get like a smaller one and a larger one. They're both made out of aluminum with some steel handles here. Before use, clean, cook set with hot water and dish soap. Suitable for hot up to 100 Celsius and cold food. Do not use for storage and processing of acidic, alkaline, or salty food. So yeah, it says don't put in a dishwasher, don't put in a microwave. So hand wash only. But this thing is made in Germany, and I had it shipped all the way to the United States from Lithuania for $18.38. Now, granted, I did order this on December 6th, and it is now January 3rd, and I finally got it. So it did take a minute to get here, but hey, all the way from Lithuania for like $5 shipping, you know, I wasn't expecting speed. Now, overall, first impressions, this seems to be pretty decent quality, actually. They do fold up. They seem to lock in pretty well. So, I mean, like, it doesn't just free fall on that one. The handles are pretty comfortable. You know, it'd be decent for putting over a fire. On this one, it does say Miltech, which is the German kind of military reproduction maker. Now, this one is loose. This one's kind of like pretty solid. But I gotta say, I think I might throw this in my kit. This doesn't seem like a bad little cook set. You got one where you could boil water, one where you could heat up food. They both fit inside of each other. I like the square cooking or angular cooking containers better than the round ones. To me, it feels like you can fit a lot more in there. You can build yourself a little stove, or even if you have one with, these will fit a little bit better than the round ones. It just seems more natural to eat out of a container shaped like a rectangle, in my opinion, than like a cup. But yeah, overall, I think these are really good. They're very lightweight. They're made of aluminum, and they seem pretty well made. Kind of just about what I expect with anything made in Germany. It's just odd that it had to come all the way from Lithuania. Yeah, everything seems to be well made. I can't find really any kind of issues with it. This is my first time really looking at it. Paper's still in here. There we go. Look at that. But yeah, no, this seems to be pretty decent quality. At least great for like a camping thing. Let me take these and put them back together, and I will get a weight for you guys. We can see exactly how much these weigh. So overall, the combo together weighs 13.2 ounces or 372 grams. That's really not too heavy considering you get two cooking pots or two cooking containers. And they fold up and they store within themselves. And you can even like keep your stove in here, or like some spare fuel tablets or whatever. I was kind of hoping that one would act as a lid over the other, but I unfortunately did not get that. Now, with my current kit that I'm working on, the solution I found to all my problems was actually the SE cooking tin. As you can tell, this is actually a little bit smaller, but it's modeled very similarly. Now, this one does have the same style fold-down handle. This one seems to be made out of stainless steel instead of some chrome-plated, and it does feature a lid. So, this lid you can use to keep the ashes out while you're cooking something, but I'm designing this as a long-term storage, enhanced survival kit, kind of like a pilot survival kit. So this tin is a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna try and pack this with as much cool shit as I can. Well, cool and useful shit, I should say, and see how far we can go with it. More coming up on that with a later video. But yeah, overall, these are pretty cool. I've really enjoyed these so far. I haven't got a chance to use them, and hopefully when the weather gets better, I might be able to take these out for a spin and see what I can do with them. Anyway, guys, just thought you'd be interested to see on what I found on the internet today. And maybe if you're looking into getting one of these, you can check that out. Like I said, I found it on eBay. I just searched British Army mess kit. Boom, there it was. If you don't mind waiting a little bit, this is one of the better prices I could find, even on a reproduction. And yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, have a fantastic day. Stay safe out there, my friends. Definitely stay warm. It's getting colder again. And I guess I'll just catch you in the next one.